Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm making a series to help you guys with becoming a pilot from step one to whatever I know. Okay, and I'm gonna start with medicals first because I think that that's the first step we have to take care before entering into this field, and more importantly, class two medicals that will help you get an idea about how fit are you with respect to this particular field, and are you meeting the basic compulsory requirements to uh, get into this pilot field. I will start from class 2 medicals and continue with class 1 medicals, computer number, and all other processes. So, to subscribe to keep in touch with this channel. With class 2 medicals, the first step regarding that is to creating an EGCA ID. So, here's the website. You can see that if you just search for EGCA login, you will get this website dgca.gov.in, and you can see that you wouldn't have an account right now and you have to sign up. So this portal, introduction to this portal is it will help you to track your medicals and get your assessment with DGCA, and DGCA will use this website to look at your medicals and give you the assessment. Okay, basically this is what the website is used for, and this is not related to your computer number. It is I don't know, it has multiple purposes, but majorly until now I've been using this for medical reasons. So you can see that you will come to this sign up page. You have to select pilot and you have to give submit, and you have to give no here because you don't have a medical number, and you have to fill all these information. Remember to use same name across all websites when you're creating computer number or when you're creating an account for class 2 medicals. Remember to use your 12th mark sheet. That's good, well and good, 10th or 12th mark sheet. So I'm just filling this out for you. Once you fill that page, you have to upload your proofs. So you have ID and you have sufficient memory. It's not like computer number. You've been given 40 MB. So it's pretty easy. All your documents will come under 40 MB only, ID proof. And your Aadhaar card number, if Aadhaar card is what you're giving, you have a list of like identity cards that you can provide: driving license, passport, Aadhaar card, a voter ID, PAN card. Use any of these documents and get it done. Aadhaar card is the most simplest way to do it. And here's your 10th mark sheet specifically. Upload a color copy. Don't upload any black and white images. That's what they've given. And address proof. Same Aadhaar if that has the right address. And create your username, password here, and email ID for verification, and then receive OTP and then submit this application. So once done, you will get your EGCA ID. So this EGCA ID you will have to later provide it to your doctor for him to upload all your medical documents. Okay. So now you've created your EGCA ID and you're ready with your login ID and password. Correct. The next step is to look for a DGCA verified class 2 doctor. So for that, you search this class 2 medical DGCA, or this exact website is there, which is called in the same website dgca.gov.in. You can see this particular document: class 1 medical examiners, class 2 medical examiners. Right now in this video we're going to take a look at class 2 medical examiners. So you can see that there's a huge list here, and there are some contact details and addresses of those lists, right? So let me save that and open. So you can see multiple doctors are here, and you can see Northern region written on top here, and there will be a Western region. So here's your contact number, here's your doctor's name, whoever you want, and look at their location. This person is at Marthali, Bangalore. This doctor is at Chennai. So whichever doctor is close to you, contact them and ask for the specific details. So usually what they will do is give you a location of a medical center or a lab, medical lab, so where you can take all these tests. So they should also be DGCA approved. Confirm that through call. Mostly they will give you the right location, but still make sure you confirm it, and they will give you an appointment date. Go there and you have to take all the tests. Okay, they'll do your ultrasound, and they will do your audiometry hearing test, and ENT, they'll check your ears, nose and throat, and then they'll do your eye test, and an examiner will be inquiring about your past medical issues or your family's medical history, everything like that. And a doctor will check your physical ability, whether you're able to move your hands freely, if you're able to squat freely. So basic tests will be kept, and these tests will be done a lot quicker and faster. That's what my experience was compared to class 1 medicals. It will be done in a more serious way. A lot of more parameters will be tested in a very serious manner. According to me, if you're going to start your career in aviation, this is pretty much the first thing to do, so that you will know that you're medically reasonably fit to enter this field. You'll go early morning, they'll do some blood and all these tests, and then ask you to have breakfast, and then after that they will do your hearing and everything, and by evening it will be done. So your doctor uploads CA35 in this website. He will take your login ID, password, and upload all the medical documents, and then DGCA looks at it and verifies all these documents and gives you a document called medical assessment, saying that you are fit to proceed according to class 2 requirements. If it's class 1 requirements, right? Now, this was a requirement for class 1 medicals. If you want to do class 1 medicals, you needed a class 2 assessment. But a recent document here, I'm showing you this public notices, right? Here, all these public notice regarding medicals and everything come here. So you can see that there's a requirement of DGCA class 2, this medicals, and there's been a new change, and this change will be effective from September 1, 2025. So no need to wait for class 2 assessment to proceed with class 1 medicals. The exact line is written here. Applicants can directly apply for class 1 initial medical examination on the basis of fit medical certificate, which is your class CA35, which I was talking about, issued by a proper valid class 2 medical examiner. So once you get this, no need to wait for 3-4 months, which we had to do. Rather than that, you can directly apply for class 1 medicals. Quick summary: you create your EGCA ID, password, and account with all the valid documents. Find your right class 2 medical doctor and go to the lab on the given date. Do all your medical tests and get your CA35, and your doctor will upload all the documents in EGCA website. That's it. You will have to wait for your assessment. Your CA35 validity stays the same, but class 1 medicals, whenever you're renewing up to 40 years, no need to give it for assessment. Every 3 year once you upload it to DGCA and they will take care. I'm not sure about the exact changes. CA35 has more power now. You can use it for flying, you can use it for class 1 medicals if it's CA35 class 2. That's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. This is it for class 2 medicals. Next video I'll be talking about computer number, and the next one will be about class 1 medicals. So throughout this series I'll help you with all these, so don't forget to subscribe. And there's a navigation vlog also coming out because I've written my navigation exam. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.